Good afternoon, students. Myself, Dr. Yogesh Patni, Assistant Professor in Commerce, GS College of Commerce, Parda. As we discussed in last lecture, we had finished become first year, first semester financial accounting syllabus. From this lecture, we are starting the second semester syllabus, second semester subject. The name of the subject is Statistics and Business Mathematics. Moving each differ from or just changing the path of financial accounting, we have to study statistics and business mathematics in this semester. From the next semester again will have to come to this path of financial accounting. So if we see the entire syllabus of BCom, then you have 5 financial accounting papers. First semester, third, fourth, fifth and sixth semester, and for a sixth semester, for a second semester you have statistics and business mathematics. There are 4 units in this particular syllabus. We have this side I had given the syllabus, and this side we have question paper pattern. Now just discussing the syllabus. Before discussing the syllabus, first we will see what is statistics is, what is the importance of statistics, why the business mathematics is actually included in statistics, and then we will discuss about the syllabus and then question paper pattern, and from the next lecture we will start the actual syllabus. Now look, statistics is actually a branch which do the tabulation of data, analyze that data with the help of various formulas, and they comes to a decision making. That thing is actually we have to do in statistics. The importance of statistics is means you can't ignore the importance of statistics even in I think it's my opinion, but statistics has more use than accounting, because statistics is used everywhere. Means, for example, doing analysis of any subject, then doing counting the things, doing the analysis, even in our population census, even everywhere. Means, for example, if central government or state government actually doing the corona, taking corona, what we can say, precautions, measures, they should have that statistics with them. How many patients are there, how many being discharged, how many active patients are there, even in case of vaccination, how much people are there to be vaccinated, what is the exact number of vaccinated people. So everything, this thing actually related to statistics. So statistics is everywhere. Means calculating everything you are using statistics, because in arithmetic we just have to do calculations, but in statistics we have to apply some logic to that calculation, and we have to come to a decision making process, and we have to take a decision. Okay, this is right, this is wrong, this has to be improved, this is a thing that we should have to do in that particular situation. That thing is possible with the help of statistics. So that's why it is very much important for a commerce graduate student that he or she should know what the statistics is. Now again you will get advanced statistics at 6th semester or become 3rd year, but in this itself, in first semester and for a second semester, for second semester become first year, we have basic statistics. It is also called as a business statistics. We have a basic statistics and even basic mathematics. So this is a summary of what we can say of business statistics or statistics. That statistic is a branch in which we have to do analysis of that particular thing, that particular situation, and we have to take a decision for our business, for our activity, that whether the thing is being good or not. That thing is actually a use of that branch or this subject, statistics. Now in this particular syllabus we have 4 units, first, second, third and fourth. We don't have to collect the data, because when you talk about the statistics, you have to collect the data, analyze the data, tabularize the data, analyze the data. We are not going at that particular way, because we don't have to collect the data here, because we are not doing any research or taking any research project. We will have the problems, We will have given data in the form of tables. Just what we have to do, we have to properly arrange that data in a tabular form. We have to derive some figures, some calculations, we have to use the formula, and finally we will get an answer. And if that particular question needs some decision making, then that decision making we have to done just analyzing that particular answer. That thing we have to do in this particular subject, in this particular syllabus. Now in particular unit first, the title of that unit first is Statistics and Measures of Central Tendency. This topic has some theory, but as we give much importance to numericals, we straightly jump to the numericals, and in that thing we have to see the measures of central tendency. There is a mean, median, mode, geometric mean and harmonic mean. These are the things which are the part of measures of central tendency, where we calculate mean, median, mode for different frequency levels, frequency patterns, frequency types. Along with we have to calculate geometric mean and harmonic mean. That thing we will see in a detailed manner when we will go through the lectures, video lectures of that particular topic. Moving to unit number 2, we have dispersion. In that dispersion, we have to see various types of deviations from mean deviation, then standard deviation, quartile deviation, coefficient of variations. Those things we have to study in this unit number 2 as a dispersion, because here we have to study the deviations, we have to study the variations from a central tendency. Means if this is a central point, and we have to find out why there is a deviation from this particular central tendency with the help of mean deviation, standard deviation, quartile deviation, coefficient of variation. That thing is called as a dispersion. The third point, third syllabus unit is Skewness, in which we have to study Carl Pearson's coefficient of skewness and Bowley's coefficient of skewness. These two types of skewness problems we have to see. These are the names of the persons who found out this particular methodology to calculate coefficient of skewness. Carl Pearson's coefficient of skewness and Bowley's coefficient of skewness. We have to find out skewness with the help of this formula of these people, with the help of their methodologies. That thing we have to see in unit number 3. So first 3 units is actually the part of statistics, and the last unit, unit number 4, is a part of business mathematics. As I told you earlier in this video, that this business mathematics is a basic mathematics which is generally used for competitive examination or different type of examinations which are of a competitive nature. That type of questions, that type of things are being involved in this particular unit number 4 as a business mathematics. What we have to do here, we have to calculate the ratio, we have to calculate the proportions, we have to calculate the percentage, then simple interest, compound interest, profit and loss. So this is actually a very simple stuff. There is nothing hard, complex in it. It is actually what we can say, if I am not wrong, then this is actually a mathematics of class 8 or max to max class 10. And also this things is actually useful for your competitive examination preparation also. So this is a business mathematics. So first 3 units are the part of statistics, and the last one is actually the part of business mathematics. So this is a syllabus of BCom first year second semester business statistics and business mathematics. In short, we call it as SBM. Now moving to question paper pattern. Again, actually this is a traditional question paper pattern given by Rashtriya Sant Tukaramji Maharaj, Nagpur University. But again, you have to appear for this examination somewhere in around May, June. I don't know, but it will be like that. So whether university is going for offline examination or online examination, we don't know that. That we will know in a due course of time. But till that particular date, this is actually a question paper pattern. There is a mixed one. Question number first depends on based on unit first, where theory, problems, P stands for theory, P for problems, or one problem of 16 marks. So 8 or 16. Unit number 2, same pattern is being repeated there. First question of theory, second is of practical or problem, and third is of problem again for 16 marks. Question number 3 is from unit number 3, where you have the problems of 8 marks or a problem of 16 marks. Again that question is of 16 marks. Question number 4, same pattern get repeated. First two questions of 8 marks, or you have the choice of answering one question. No, sorry. Here there is actually change. I'm correcting myself here. A, B or C, D, 8 or 8. So here you will have the actually 4 questions of 8 marks, among which you have to solve either A, B or C, D. And question number 5 is actually from 4 units, from each unit, unit first, unit second, unit 3, unit third and unit 4, having problems and having 4 marks each. So this is actually a question paper of 80 marks. 80 marks comes from your external examination or theoretical examination, university examination, and 20 marks from the assessment. So totaling them to them, we will get 100 marks. So this is actually a syllabus of statistics and business mathematics and question paper pattern. So I tried here to brief you about the basic of statistics, because when we start any type of subject, the student should know what we are going to study in that particular subject and why there is a need of that subject in this entire curriculum of BCom. So I hope you find out this particular video very fruitful. From the next lecture, we will actually start unit first from the measures of central tendency. Thank you.